You're online, you're ready to buy, but you hit a snag at checkout. The site asks for your payment details, and you're faced with a choice: Paysafe or PayPal. You've heard of both, but which one is the right choice for you? This isn't just about picking a button. It's about security, convenience, and how you want to handle your money online. Today, we're breaking down two of the biggest names in digital payments to help you decide which one is better for you. First, let's talk about the big one, PayPal. It's a household name for a reason. PayPal is a digital wallet and payment platform that connects directly to your bank account or credit card. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it to send money to friends, shop on millions of websites, and even manage your business transactions. The key benefit here is that you're not sharing your card details with every merchant. PayPal acts as a middleman, adding a layer of security. They also offer buyer and seller protection, which can be a lifesaver if a transaction goes wrong. On the other hand, we have Paysafe. Now, Paysafe isn't just one thing. It's a whole company that offers a suite of payment solutions. But when people talk about Paysafe for personal use, they're often referring to Paysafe Card. This is a prepaid payment method. You buy a Paysafe Card voucher with cash at a physical store, and it comes with a 16-digit code. To pay online, you just enter that code. This is where the core difference lies. PayPal is about convenience and connecting your digital finances. Paysafe, specifically Paysafe Card, is about privacy and security by not using your bank account at all. It's like using cash online. You don't have to share any personal or financial information with the merchant. This is a massive plus if you're concerned about data breaches or if you don't have a credit card. So, which one is better? It really comes down to your needs. If you're a frequent online shopper who values speed, convenience, and a centralized way to manage your payments, PayPal is likely the better fit. Its widespread acceptance and comprehensive protection features make it a go-to for many. But if you prioritize anonymity and control, or if you simply don't have a bank account or credit card, then Paysafe is a powerful alternative. It's the perfect solution for making secure, cash-based online payments without leaving a digital footprint. In the end, it's not about one being universally better than the other. It's about what you need from a payment service. PayPal is your digital wallet for everyday life, while Paysafe is your secure, anonymous key for specific online purchases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.